So this is where we've been staying for the past week. Really quite beautiful. In the middle of nowhere. Take a walk down the beach area. As you can see, it's very muddy. We've had torrential rain for the last few days. But today the sun is shining. Walk out into the beach area so you get an impression of what it's like. This is the CI field station for Mona's area. We're walking along the dock. We'll give you an impression in a minute of what it's like. Just seen birds of paradise a few minutes ago. Absolutely spectacular. That's my day.